Did you ever think that you would be able to manifest your greatest desire in just 2 days? Well, I'm going to teach you how you can manifest your desire in just 48 hours or 2 days. Watch this video till the end, and I assure you that after watching this video, you will be ready to change your reality. If you apply exactly what I will tell you, you will manifest whatever you want to manifest in just 2 days. Before I share with you the whole technique, I want you to click the subscribe button below this video and press the bell notification as well, so that you can watch more videos from our YouTube channel. Let's now get started. Well, it is important for you to know that everything we see in the universe is a result of our consciousness. Nothing exists in the world. You alone exist in the world. If you disappear or you lose consciousness, everything will disappear. So consciousness is the cause of the existence of things. If you aren't conscious of a particular thing, we can say that particular thing doesn't exist. Everything present in the 3D world we live in is a result of our thoughts, our beliefs, our emotions, consciousness, and reality. The actions we take, the decisions we make, and the way we react shape the world. Our decisions, our actions, and the things we do in our lives have an impact on the world. What this world looks like now is due to ourselves. We made the world, we shaped it, and we transformed it. The way we interact with each other, or with the things in the world, or with the world itself, has an impact on the world. So we can say that how we see the world and how it appears to us is because of us. We ourselves are responsible for the things present in our lives. If we don't like something, we can make a change through our decision, action, or response. We are free to respond to everything that happens to us, and the way we respond to things also shapes our reality. So we can say that whatever we see, experience, or whatever happens to us is due to us, and we decide to experience something different. We make things happen. And let me tell you that the world and things outside of you are an illusion. I am an illusion to you, and you are an illusion to me. You know me and you are watching this video because of your consciousness. So if you feel something is wrong outside of you here in this world, don't think there is something wrong. Instead, think that something is wrong inside your head. You see, different practices, situations, behaviors, and circumstances might be good for some people, but you might dislike those things, behaviors, or even people because of your own imagination, belief system, and consciousness. So that's how the things outside of us don't matter. What matters the most is what is inside our heads. Our thoughts, consciousness, and imagination matter the most. Everything that is outside of you has been created by you. Everything that you see doesn't exist. It exists because you see it. It exists because you can imagine it. It exists because you're conscious of it. Your consciousness allows you to experience things. Your consciousness enables you to see and observe. Your consciousness causes you to experience pain or happiness. That's why Neville Goddard said that consciousness is the only reality. Only those things exist in the world that you are aware of. That's it. No more arguments. Neville Goddard called it a mental diet. It means how we see the world and what we think about things is because of ourselves. What we have been taught about the world and about ourselves matters the most, and obviously it differs too. Here I would like to share one of Neville Goddard's quotes on mental diet. A man's mental conversations attract his life. As long as there is no change in his inner talk, the personal story of the man remains unchanged. You see, this is pretty straightforward and nothing is to be confused with here. So we continuously feed our minds, and our minds create our reality. And now it's up to us to decide what we feed our kind. Do we feed our minds with positive thoughts, or do we fill our minds with negative thoughts? It's all up to us. What we write in our minds becomes our reality. Do you fill your mind with positive thoughts like I can do this, I can have it, or I will have it? Or you fill your mind with negative thoughts like I can't have it, I can't do this, or this is impossible. You know very well that our assumptions create our reality. What we assume about ourselves, we become the same. Whatever we think, it happens to us. Even though this philosophy applies to people who are in your life, if you think the people around you are polite, they will behave politely. And if you believe they are strict, they will be strict. So Neville Goddard says that whatever you assume becomes your reality. Whatever you feed your mind becomes your reality. Your experiences, the behavior of people around you, and everything else that is present in this world depend on your perception. How do you perceive something? It decides how a thing will appear to you. If you think it's good, it will be good. And if you think it is bad, it will be bad. So it's you who manifest your life. Some people knowingly manifest a life of anxiety, depression, financial crisis, and poverty, while others manifest a life of financial freedom, happiness, prosperity, and abundance. It's a matter of choice. What you choose becomes your reality. Your reality isn't something that you can't change. You can change it. Just choose a different reality and that's it. Now we know that what we put in our mind becomes our reality. Our conversations with ourselves generate our 3D reality. So now we can change what's happening in this world just by changing our own way of thinking. We can change everything just by changing our thoughts about it. And if we can do that, we can experience the desired things, we can have the desired things, and we can be whoever we want to be. Now I want to tell you that Neville Goddard claims that if you just do that, you can manifest your desire in less than 3 days. It means before the third, you will have become who you want to be. You will have what you want to have. You can achieve your goal in less than 3 days. It means it can be the second or even the first day. But it will not take more than 3 days. This is a big statement that Neville Goddard made. But it's true, and thousands of people have manifested their desires just by using this simple technique. Neville Goddard in his books made this claim and asked everyone to do this if they wanted to manifest something big urgently. Now let me tell you what you will actually do to manifest your desire in just 3 days. Well, first clean your mind of all the negativity. You can just have 0 thoughts in your mind. Clear out everything that you have on your mind, make it an empty space, and after that, start putting positive thoughts in there. Well, now erasing the existing thoughts in your mind seems quite difficult. The best way to do this is to get relaxed. Don't get emotional thinking about anything, and don't take any action until you get inspired by some thought. Don't make any decisions after thinking about something. Just feel neutral and emotionless. Before you do this, I want you to have a clear idea of what you want to manifest in your life. Is that thing a person? Do you want to manifest a job or money or something else? It's better to have a clear idea because you are going to think about it. You are going to imagine it very deeply, so you just have a clear picture of it in your mind. Whatever your desire is, you have to have an idea of what it looks like, how it will change your life and reality, how it will affect your physical appearance and lifestyle, and how you will feel after manifesting that particular thing. Once you are clear on what you want and you have a clear picture of it in your mind, you can move on to the next step. The next step involves preparing a scene similar to that which will happen after you manifest your desire. If you don't like preparing a scene and imagining it, you can write some positive thoughts about your goal, or you can simply write some positive affirmations. After doing that, you will have to imagine the scene that you have created, or you will have to simply think about your desire in a positive way. You can imagine your desire coming into your life. Let's say you want to manifest a specific person in your life. You can imagine that you have manifested that person, and you are both living the life you wanted to live. Feel it as if it is real. Feel it deeply and clearly as it is all happening in front of you right now, and you are participating in it. And if you have written some thoughts or affirmations, speak them to yourself. Tell yourself that you are capable of doing what you want to do. You really deserve what you desire. It's yours and nobody can prevent you from having it. Talking to yourself in this way will assist you in easily manifesting your desire. Neville Goddard says that if you can do this, you can manifest the biggest goal that you have. It just takes less than 3 days. If you have ever gone through Neville's teachings, then you probably know that he says, the moment you think about something or the moment you desire something, you create it. Things are created by imagination. If you can't imagine something, and if you have thought about something, how can you manifest it, experience it, or have it? Do you think is that possible? Nothing exists outside of our imagination. Our imagination is a whole world. If you can imagine it, you can get it too. You just don't realize the power of your thoughts. Positive thoughts can help you manifest whatever you want to manifest. Manifestation comes from imagination. Everything exists in our heads, but we choose bad things to experience. We choose a negative reality to manifest, and we live with that negativity throughout our whole life. You just have to decide what you want to manifest. If you want to manifest something positive, then why not choose to think positively? Why don't you have a positive image if you truly want to manifest something positive? Why don't you think positively about your desire if you want to manifest it? Simply start thinking positively about what you want to manifest and have faith that you will manifest it. Then you will surely manifest it in less than 3 days. That's it. You've got nothing else to do. Everything is yours. You can get everything. Your biggest desire has already been manifested. So just have faith that you will have it. Begin thinking positively about it, imagining and assuming that you have it. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope I was able to deliver a good analysis of this quote by Neville Goddard. And of course, this doesn't mean we agree with every single thing he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form his or her own opinion, and that is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.